XOXO Maeven. Gives me Gossip Girl vibes.
You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars. Written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah.
Hey guys, it's Avia LeVon and welcome back to another video in my wedding series. So in today's video, we're going to do a bridal box subscription review all on the Maeven Bridal boxes. I have been trying out this subscription for about 5 months now, and I wanted to share with you guys just kind of how this process has been, what I think of these bridal boxes, give you the pros, the cons, and show you some different things that I've gotten in the boxes so far, and just overall let you guys know if I think it's good for all of our bride-to-be's out there, or it makes for a really good gift if you're looking for to give a gift for someone that's recently engaged. So let's get started. So with the Maeven Bridal box, you get a new box every month. You get charged the 15th. I think it's the 15th. I'll go in and put like all of the exacts, but I believe it's the 15th that I get charged every month, and then I get the box right at the beginning of the next month. So it usually comes about within the first week or so of the new month. So this was the first box that we started off with. Just for the purpose of this video, I've kind of left most of the gifts unless I'm using them every single day in the boxes so I can show you guys. And then this box is inside, and so it has the Maeven label on top here. And then it has the cute little pull tab magnetic box. So very high quality there. I thought that was awesome. You open it on up, you get this cute little saying in the inside, let the adventure begin, XOXO Maeven. Gives me Gossip Girl vibes. So what I do really like about the boxes is with every box you get kind of a set of cards. So in this kind of card, it kind of gives you some different like wedding planning tips and stuff like that. Some little good to know things in here, as well as they also share with you everything that's inside of your box for this month. So it gives you this month's essentials. So for example, in month 1, we got a Maeven wedding planner, 2 champagne flutes, so a bride and groom one, a cake topper, wedding day cards. So the wedding day cards, we could kind of exchange love letters if I wanted to write Damon something or Damon to write me something on our wedding day. A rose quartz necklace, Pop Fizz Clink bottle opener, that one was really cute, and a mud mask. So I'll show you everything that you get on this card, which is really awesome. So just to show a couple of things, this is my bride little champagne flute and our groom champagne flute. I'll be sure to kind of get some close-ups for everyone to see. I thought these were so fun. So it kind of has like this vinyl print on them in gold. I love it because it just automatically matches a lot of our colors that we have going for the wedding, which is really awesome. Example of the cake topper. So it just says Mr. and Mrs. Bottle opener. Our wedding day cards. I thought this was really cute, and I love that it's individually packaged, so it has both the envelope and the card so we could write each other like little personalized notes. So that's in here, both the groom and the bride, so lots of fun. And then the wedding day planner, I thought this was super cute. I personally don't have plans on using the wedding planner just because I've created essentially like my own online wedding planning book. I'll probably end up eventually showing it on my blog. So if you guys don't know, I'm really into digital planning on my iPad. So I do like the pin, good notes, the whole setup. And when we got engaged, I like literally made my own template, and I have like all of my wedding planning in there, and it's been great because I get it on my phone and on my iPad. So I'll probably share that template with you guys eventually once I know for sure that it's pretty solid. But this was a good book to just kind of like, though I'm not using it, to just kind of see what's in here as I was building my book. So I was doing that about the same time. So, but I thought it was really cute, and it matches a lot of just kind of the color scheme that I already have going on a little bit with the gold and the marble. It's just really adorable, makes you feel super bridal. So in here we got a lace trim robe. I do use that quite frequently, so I'll like show you guys what that looks like on. Also was a vow book set, so I'll probably use. Damon and I have not decided if we're going to like write our own or, you know, just kind of use the traditional vows, or just use the traditional during our ceremony, and like maybe have like some just like things written for us later privately. Something to still think about. I'm sure we'll like lean towards the personal private. That seems more us. But these are like super cute, so I thought like, hey, something to use. What else was in here? They also had a ring balloon set, and then they had some hair ties, and I loved the hair ties. I use those quite frequently. Gold acrylic chair signs for Mr. and Mrs. Bridey and wifey hair clips. I think those are so cute. I have not, bride and wifey, excuse me. I have not used those yet, but I think they'll be like just really fun and adorable to use for some different blog posts, or just like some different smaller events to like be able to wear those for. And then our tote, it's all wrapped up. I haven't used it yet just because I'm not going anywhere right now, COVID, but I think it'd be super fun to bring like to like a little weekend getaway at the bachelorette party whenever we get to that, and a number of other things. So it's good to have, and another little rubber band on it. What I did think was really nice was, I guess this was our June box, July box. It had to be the July box. They did send out a cute, like a nice card that kind of pointed out kind of their stance on everything that was going on, and kind of where they're making some donations so that everyone knows. So I thought that was a good play, just kind of considering all the different things that's going on right now. And then this box in general was just like really good. So we had a blushing bride, a little like makeup bag, cosmetic bag, a little beauty blender sponge. I mean, that's a whole brand, but you get like a little makeup sponge. We also got like the ring boxes. So I think this would be really cute to take like our actual pictures in for the wedding day, to have Damon's ring and my ring both in here on display before the wedding. I finally got a fiance shirt. I haven't had one yet, and I've been like wanting to get some off of Etsy, but like just hadn't yet. But so it was so perfect. So fiance. Got some more hairpins. I love this set so much. I feel like I'll get the most use out of this. Like the other box had the bride and wifey ones, which were super adorable, don't get me wrong, but these are just gold, and I love gold. And yeah, so I think these are really fun. They're kind of all pretty geometric too, which I thought was really nice. And then also we have some pretty large Mr. and Mrs. balloons. So I love that they seem to be all about the party. They give you some stuff that works for like just different events that you might be having, and like just they've thought about the whole bridal experience from like start to end. Okay, so this would not be a bridal box subscription review if I did not give you guys kind of like all the details and what it all is for the bridal box. So I'm pulling it up on my phone now. Maeven Bridal Boxes, they're a luxury subscription box for the bride-to-be. So they say that each box is valued at about $120 plus per box, with kind of all the latest different wedding trends and things like that. I definitely do agree. I do feel like I have gotten more than what I've paid for in each of these boxes as far as value is concerned. Like if I was going to go on Amazon and Etsy and just like buy all of these little things everywhere, it would be more than what I'm already spending on this subscription. And also a lot of these things are pretty unique too. Like I have not seen them on Amazon. I have not seen them on like a lot, like on Etsy. Some things yes, but like fonts are different, you know, when you think about things that just kind of could be printed, like the wine glasses and stuff like that. I haven't seen that yet, and I've been looking. So that is kind of pretty cool. Like it's good to feel like I'm not getting a whole bunch of just recycled things that I've seen everywhere anyways. So you do have options to buy it for yourself, give it as a gift, or like a one-time purchase. So I think that really makes for like a good time gift. For someone that just got engaged, just to do the one time $50 and they get a whole bunch of like the really cute stuff, the glasses, the wedding planner, all of that. The good thing also with this pro is that you can cancel your subscription. I think just as long as you do it before the day that you get charged. And I think earlier in this video I said it's the 15th, it's actually the 19th. I went and looked it up both on my bill and online. So just as long as you do it before that, you can cancel, which I think is pretty cool. So the monthly subscription box is $49.95 a month. A con, one thing that I do not like, and I use that loosely, it's just really me being bored in the middle of COVID, is I realize it's a whole new month, and then I feel like I have to wait an extra week before I can actually get my box. So I think they do ship it on the 1st of each month, but usually it takes about a week or so before I actually have it in hand. So that's cool and everything, but like this box is something that I'm actually like excited for to receive. And then when I realize that it's finally a new month, and then I'm like, oh, okay, but I gotta wait one more week until I can get my box. One con that I will say with the Maeven Bridal box is that they could use a little bit more diversity and just kind of some of the pictures. The only other con that I could think of is just that a lot of the items so far in the box now, so the monthly featured boxes, are things that I would have to use later on in our engagement process, just because we cannot do that much because of COVID right in this minute. So everything in these boxes are useful per se, and I'm putting them away knowing that I'll have use for them when I can throw certain parties or go out and do things and like whatever else. But I can't use them now. Everything else, by all means, I still do love. I just don't have use for them right this second because a lot of our planning and events and stuff like that are on hold, but it is great to have, and I know that I will use them a little further down the line. But yeah, would love to see some stuff that kind of fits the whole like more COVID bride. And I mean, I don't want anything to necessarily remind me of this moment right now, but just stuff that I could use right now, knowing that we're not doing much right now. So hopefully that makes sense. Well, all right, guys, thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I, by all means, really do actually love this bridal box subscription. It's been a great introduction into our engagement phase and period, and it's been nice getting like little treats each month, and I've loved everything that's come in the boxes really so far, quite honestly. So if you want to learn a little bit more about the Maeven Bridal Box subscription, check the links down below, and I'll link kind of everything to get to them and all of that. If you have any other bridal box subscriptions that you think I would enjoy or that I should check out as I kind of phase out of Maeven in the next couple of months, please do let me know down in the comments below. That way I can get another one started. If you haven't seen any of our other engagement series videos, there have been like pop-ups on the screen so far in this video, and then also on the end screen you will kind of see them here as well. I'll also leave links below. You see all the places you can watch. They are everywhere. But yes, thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.